Hello everyone, I am CHOY CHOON KIT and this is the video about iKOM in my heart. I've joined the course of New Media Communication in University Malaysia Perlis since the September intake in 2016. This is the third choice of my university enrollments list and I am also the third batch of iKOM students. Coincidence? I don't think so. In iKOM, we have various types of equipments such as camera, a bunch of iMacs, and also recording studio for those who love to sing. Well, I've joined this course for about more than 2 years. So in my opinion, it has changed my life as I've finally have a chance to pursue what I like, which is photography and videography. And actually, I did not really know about this course because, well, I saw the name New Media Communication and I think that, media, maybe it would be my choice, maybe. And eventually, I've enrolled into this course and I'm glad that I've known so many good friends, good lecturers that have helped me so much during these 2 years of studies. In mass communication, there are 3 majors which are broadcasting, journalism and also public relations, but in iKOM we learned more on the hybrid of mass comm and also technopreneurship and also communication. In my opinion, I think that iKOM can change the future generations in some ways. Well, most of our parents, including my parents, they said that, well, oh, mass comm is not really good, mass comm it doesn't have a bright future. But I think that, well, new media is the trend nowadays. So in my opinion, new media influences our life in so many aspects, especially among youngsters and also even the older generations who are also starting to use smartphones and social medias. So I think that as we learn more about new media communication, we can know more about the trends in the future, and also it will also provide a working opportunity, and also it creates more job scopes in new media for the future. As a third year student, I'm really grateful that I've chosen this course and I really like the outcome and also what I've learned in these 2 years. I love iKOM and iKOM would always be in my heart.